Welcome to the Equip4you maintenance tips, which is part of the Equip4you Care series. In this video is a Karcher VC-free bagless vacuum cleaner. The vacuum comes with a Hepa filter. It's located in the wheel of the machine. To disconnect the Hepa filter, you simply disconnect the plastic and then take out the filter. This can be dry cleaned or wet cleaned simply with a brush or run under the tap. To connect the container, please put in the bottom first. This will prevent the black clip from breaking or damaging. The motor filter is located in the head of the container. Lift this out to clean. You can use a brush for dry cleaning, or you can also run it under the tap to clean any dirt and debris. Please remember to let the filters fully dry before reinstalling them in the machine. To clean a container, slide the container into the unlock position. You can notice this by the white mark onto the container and pull down. You can clean this container under the tap using a sponge or microfiber cloth. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.